I'm Michael Mann. I'm from a company in Australia called Beaver Technology Services. We're out here showing off our height safety equipment. Part of what we're showing here at the show is we have virtual reality so that you can actually see our equipment in a three-dimensional virtual space. So here we can see that my colleague Steve here is in a 3D virtual environment and he's checking out one of our products called the Air Stair. This is our air stair of the 4.8 meters to 8.4 meter height range up against a Boeing A380. So you can see he can climb up the equipment. For him, it's in 1-to-1 scale. What he is seeing in there would be as if he was there in real life, correct size. He can see what he can reach and grab and see all the different components that he has and can service and look at these in a 3D virtual environment. Steve, could you jump up to the top for us for a minute? So from up the top here, this is where you would access the aircraft. He can clearly go along here and see the different grab rails that he could grab onto. He could step out onto the aircraft as well so that he gets a good feel of what it's like to actually be on top of this equipment.